Bluetooth clamp multimeter. AC and DC digital clamp multimeter 4000, counts auto range AC/DC amps clamp, P multimeter measuring AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, audible beat continuity, temperature, diode and frequency, hertz, duty cycle, data hold Bluetooth app clamp ammeter auto, pair with Android/iOS phone, support for real-time, measurement reading in max-min average, with timing in curve graph. And save the measurement in TXT Excel files, for data logging at DC inductive clamp amp need. Ideal Industries clamp meter. Accurate clamp meter, True RMS provides accurate readings of non-sinusoidal load currents in noisy electrical circuits. Beeps and lights when 30 V AC/DC voltage is present. Alerts of danger even if the meter is set on an incorrect T function or range. Easy to read display and alerts, easy to read backlit display with large number. Klein Tools clamp meter. Clamp meter with automatically ranging, true mean squared, TRMS, technology, for increased accuracy. Test leads measure AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency and capacitance and tests diodes, thermocouple probe measures, temperature. Low impedance, low Z, mode for identifying and eliminating ghost or stray voltages. Cat 4 600 V, Cat 3 1000 V, Class 2, double insulation safety rating. Fluke clamp multimeter. Digital clamp meter measures AC current to 400 amp, AC and DC voltage to 600 V, and resistance to 4 kOhms. True RMS sensing, meter provides accurate readings when measuring linear or non-linear loads, regardless of waveform. Jaw opening measures current in a conductor up to 30 mm without touching or interrupting the circuit. Audible continuity sensor confirms that the circuit conducts electricity. UEi Test Instruments lamp meter. Direct function button access, iOS and Android compatible, LRA and rush measurement, item package dimension, 12.0 inches LX 8.75 inches WX 24.0 inches H.